This conference will now be recorded.
Hello guys, welcome back. So now here in this session, we are going to discuss automatic payment program itself, but this time we'll see the testing part. So we'll do one thing. In previous session, I have quoted some example. So we'll do one thing, guys. We'll test exactly the scenario itself. Okay. Now, so here what is happening? I'll just do one thing, guys. So these many invoices, total 11 invoices are there. So I'm going to reduce some of the invoices. Okay, we'll post the 7 invoices. Okay, 7 invoices, out of which like these will be 3 will be overdue, 1 will be due, and remaining 3 will be not due. And this terms of payment is there, so I'll use a different terms of payment 0001 so that immediately invoices are going to be due immediately. Okay, so we'll do one thing, or else like in this date if you have to post, then you have to open like for whole year, as I suggested in the previous session, that better to open the period for whole year, so that what is happening, because here the payments, sorry, invoice supposed to be posted in the previous period, then only it is going to be due and overdue, right? I'll just show you here practically itself. Let me log in first, and it's very simple, guys. Let me log in first and then I'll show you. Now here, so first of all, go to OX XK02, and in your vendor master, okay, check what terms of payment we have given, guys. Okay, or else okay, give the vendor master number here. This is the vendor master number, and your company code is like TM00, and here in vendor master, what terms of payment we have given? TM34. I think better to assign TM30 itself, so that it is going to be okay. Now, so we'll just post some invoices and you see how it is going to react. So FB60 is the transaction code by which we are going to post the vendor invoices. So first of all, we should have some invoices, or else I'll just do one thing. Go to FBL1N and first of all check whether any open invoices are there or not. And if it is there, then okay, so one invoice is there, guys, and that too by TM34. This terms of payment means discount terms of payment is there, right? Terms of payment with discount or what? Let me check it. Yes, discount is there. Okay, but again, this is not going to be selected by system. This is why? Because look at here, it is still not due. No issues. We'll just do one thing. Then we are going to post these invoices. Okay, these invoices. Open one more screen and keep that vendor master screen as it is. Why? Because while running APP, you guys are going to get some issues. So we'll check it and I'll let you know. So here, FB60, your vendor. So give your vendor number and invoice date. So we'll do one thing. Whatever the document date and posting date is there, I'm going to keep same date in both field. And amount. So this amount 4,000. Keep 4,000. So I'll post the invoices quickly. And GL account, guys, I'll keep any expense GL you can keep. It's not like that you have to keep like stock or raw material or something. Any GL expense GL we can keep, because anyway we are performing testing only, right? So you press enter, enter. Okay, and enter once again. Because we are posting, why this warning message is appearing here? Because we are posting these transactions in the previous period, right? The current period is, it's August, so current period is like here, what to say, current period means current month is August, but we are posting in July, right? Click on payment and look at here, TM30 means 30 days. So it is going to be due on 14th/08, right? Look at here, due date 14th/08. So it is perfect. Save it. In the same way, we will post even other invoices also. Again, give your vendor number, same date in document date, posting date both, and 5K, and then again give any expense GL here. So I'm going to give rent GL itself and save it. Press enter twice and thrice. Okay, so for here, this one also, if you take it like it is going to be due on this date, right? Now on this date again, we have to post invoice worth of 2000. Okay, it's taking some time, guys. Might be the server is a bit slow. So let me do one thing. Let me create one more station. Press enter here. Now it got posted. Invoices. So we are going to post another invoice worth of. You have to give that amount. Give this ZL account and press enter, enter, enter thrice, and then save it. Since we are posting in the previous period, that is why like twice and thrice you have to enter, because system is releasing a warning message that this invoices is getting posted in the previous period. So it is a kind of warning message saying that kindly check it whether you have given the correct invoice date and posting date or not. Correct invoice date and posting date or not, right? So anyway, knowingly we are posting these transactions in the previous period so that if 40 days is going to be added, still the invoices are going to be overdue and due and not due. So again on this date 6000. So here give your vendor number, give this date, and here 6000, and give your GL number, again 6000. Press enter. Okay, so save it quickly, and this date 7000. So I'm posting the invoices quickly, guys, because how to post the invoice is already shown in the previous session. So hope you guys will not have any problem to understand this. Simply invoice posting, that's it. Okay, so now look at here, there is no any warning message. Why? Because this invoice is getting posted in current period in August, right? Save it. There won't be any warning message for this one. Again, this is going to be posted in previous period. So for this one, you'll be having warning message, and it is showing like 21st. So it won't be due. Why? Because I'll tell you guys, today is 21st. So you just better to give your 22nd. Okay, this example it was given yesterday. So now it become 22nd. So if we are going to post on this date, then it is going to be today is 21st, right? So now today's date, I'm going to change it and I'll make it 21st. Okay, so now here I'm going to give this date and amount, any amount here is supposed to be given. So this is 1000. So amount is 1000, and here again 1000. And if you press enter, now warning message is there because we are posting this. And then we have last. This is also in the previous period itself, but still it will not. It's not going to be due. Why? Because 25th is the future date, right? So 2000. Sorry. Here I'm supposed to give vendor number and then date, and again here amount 2000, 4000 here, and again it's 2000. Press enter twice and thrice and save it. So now here, look at here. Now the whole invoice has been posted. So here, if you talk about like how many invoices supposed to be due, so 4000, 5000, 2000, and 1000, right? So here total 11,000 plus 1,000. It means system should post payment for the invoices which is total worth of 12,000 only, remaining this, and this. 4, 5 and 7 should not be selected by system, right? Now this invoice due is also supposed to be selected because it become due today itself, right? Now okay, and there is one more invoice, guys, which is not due, which is posted already by using a different terms of payment, but that is also not due, guys, worth of 1000. That invoice is worth of 1000. So that is also that is not due. So that is also not supposed to be selected. This invoice is also not due. So this is also not going to be selected, right? Now, so we'll do one thing. Okay, now here. So first of all, we'll run automatic payment program. Okay, for a single vendor itself, and later on you can create few more vendors, guys. And the way I'm going to run, you can run for even 2 vendors or 3 vendors. See, multiple vendor means more than one. Whether you run for 2 vendor or 20 vendor, right? So now here, so first of all, I'll run for 1 vendor, and you just have a look on the process, and then it's a kind of assignment for you people. You can create 2 vendor or 3 vendor, and you post the invoices, and then you can run for multiple vendor. How to run for multiple vendor, that also I'll show you guys. Hope you know, like, so you have, once you are able to understand the concept, easily you guys can run for multiple vendors also, and this is how it is going to happen in real time also. So now, how to run this automatic payment program, guys? F110. This is a very famous transaction code, guys. Keep in your mind. F110 always is going to be used to run automatic payment program. Press enter. And FBZP is going to be used to configure this automatic payment program. Right? So now here, we'll do one thing. We'll give a date. Run date, identification code, everything is going to be given.
This conference will now be recorded.
Okay, guys, so now here, you have to specify the run date, and then here identification code. Run date means the date on which we are going to run this APP. So let's suppose this is the date we are going to give here, and identification code, let's suppose TM00 ABC, anything can be given. Identification code could be anything, guys, maximum 5 digit and minimum even 1 digit code also you can give. It could be numeric, alphanumeric, alphabetic, whatever you want you can give. Now click on parameter. Then here in parameter we are going to give the company code first, and then for which payment method it is going to be run. This APP we are going, this time like payment is going to be released, like whatever payment is here. What will happen, guys? Now let's suppose whatever no, like we'll run this F110 in the sense automatic payment program. So what does it mean, guys? If F110 means this is going to clear our books of account. But what about the actual payment, guys? Vendor has received? No, vendor is going to receive the payment only if the check is going to be printed and if it is going to be sent to the vendor, or else your payment team will be there. So based on like this payments run, whatever that vendor has been you know, like included in that, for those vendor they are going to make whatever online transfer is there. So once the transfer is going to happen, then only they are going to receive the amounts. So here what will happen, guys? This time we are running like APP. So this time, like let's suppose how the payment is going to be processed, online transfer or through check. So here online transfer, we have already mapped payment method T. Give your payment method T. And next payment date means like when in future when you are going to run this automatic payment program. There is a logic behind that, guys, but once I told, like in the previous session itself, I told you that I'll try to record again what to say, this automatic payment program separately at advanced level. Right now as a beginner, you should have like understanding of this APP, like what is this APP, how it does it runs and all. So that is why, but I'll record a separate tutorial for advanced level. So there these all logics are going to be explained. Okay, in the sense like the logic behind this next payment date and few more things I have to cover. So that is going to be covered now here. But overall, what is the logic behind next payment date, guys? So in next payment date, generally whatever the next run date is there is going to be specified. So what is your next run date, guys? So next run date is, let's suppose, so 23rd I'm going to give. Okay, every week or every alternative day or every after 3 days, it depends upon the organizations. If big organizations, then they are going to run this every day or every alternative day. Small medium-sized organizations means every Monday or every Tuesday or every Friday they are going to run. So here I'm going to give the date. And here, so since we are having a single vendor, what is the vendor number, guys? 0003. 0003. This is the number. So I'm going to give this one, right? But what you people have to do, let's suppose if you have to run, first of all, you run for a single vendor, and later on, as I told you, like as an assignment, if you're trying to run for multiple vendor, right? What you have to do, you need to give here 0, and here you need to give Z like that. It means whatever vendors are there, all vendors are going to be included in this APP run. Okay, so now I'm having a single vendor, I'm going to give that vendor number, right? What is the use of this free selection tab, guys? The free selection tab means, let's suppose if you have to include or exclude something, okay? If you have to include or exclude something, let's suppose I'm having like these many invoices are there, these all invoices are there, out of which these 4 invoices got selected, right? But I want to exclude this invoice number second, because let's suppose some dispute is there with the vendor. Invoice got posted, but as per us, like price is not correct, whatever amount we have received is incorrect or something, some dispute is there. So in that case, what is happening, we want to release the payment for 1, 3 and 6 for these invoice numbers, but second we don't want to release the payment. So what will happen, guys? Here, if you run this automatic payment program, system is going to select all the invoices. System is going to select all the invoices, but here you can do one thing. You are going to select the document number. You can select the document number, you can click on exclude value, and here you can give the document number, and then easily you guys will be able to exclude this invoice. Okay, this is also practically, I'll show you guys, as I told you, like multiple things I have to record, so that will be recorded. Now here, click on additional log tab. Here you need to apply a check mark on these 3. Okay, now, so if you're going to apply a check mark and all, then system is going to search certain things. What is going to be searched by system, guys? So system is going to search these all invoices are due dates and all, and these invoices are posted against which payment method and all, right? So this is what and again here you have to give the vendor number. So our vendor number is 110003. Give this one, and if it is for multiple vendor, then you can apply a check mark here. Sorry, you can give 0 to ZZZ the way I have given here in parameter, right? And save it. Print out data medium means if you're going to run payment for check method and all, then you have to go to print out data medium and all, and there we have to, here you have to create a variant first. Okay, once the variant is created, then what will happen, guys? Check printing will take place. But here check printing means you need to take help of the ABAP consultant, technical consultant, because if you talk about the formats and all, right? So layout is going to be developed by those people only. Now, so you just do one thing, guys. No need to do anything here in printout data medium, since we are using online payment. Now here you need to save the parameter, and now come to here. Look at here, parameter has been entered. Now what will happen? First of all, we have to run the proposal, and then we have to run the payment. What is this proposal run and payment run, guys? So proposal run is called provisional run, and payment run is original run, right? In the sense, like provisional run, in the sense, why we have to, like, you can say proposal run is a kind of test run. You can say proposal run, if you are going to run proposal, then you will come to know that whether any error has taken place, or you want to edit the proposal, if you want to, like, let's suppose you'll come to know that okay, all the invoices got selected, all the invoices, like this 4 invoices got selected, right? So if you want to like remove something, this invoice, you can edit the proposal, right? So now proposal means, or else like whatever errors are taking place, guys, you can check the proposal and you can find like, okay, these are the invoices supposed to be selected, but here system has not selected any invoices. Now why? Because certain error is there. So you can analyze the proposal and then you can rectify the issues. So we'll do one thing, guys. We'll run the proposal first and we'll check whether any issue has taken place or not. And if any issue is taking place, I'll show you guys how to analyze the proposal, how to find out the root cause behind these issues. Okay, so click on proposal and click on start immediately and press enter and enter. So look at here, payment proposal has been created. Earlier yellow color message was there, but right now payment proposal has been created. So you have to check the proposal. Click on here, display proposal log, and if you click here now, so multiple details are there. You just come at bottom, come down, scroll down, and look at here. There is no any accounting entry is taking place here. It means error is there, problem is there in this proposal. How you will find out what is the error, guys? So always you try to search from the bottom, like whatever the 4-5 lines are there from bottom side, better to search from there, because most likely the solutions you'll be getting in that last 4-5 line itself. So look at here, these all are related to amounts and all. Okay, now payment method selections for item due. Now for the amount, let's suppose total 12,000. What I said, guys, total 12,000 only, right? Now, and then here, none of the payment method T has been entered in master record or in document. Try to think, guys, what could be the possible solution? First of all, think like, what is the meaning of this? Payment method T entered in master data. Master record is nothing but master data, or in document. The problem is we are running this automatic payment program. Click on back button. We are running this app and click on here parameter. So we are running for payment method D. So now system is going to search in FBL1N. Here you click on, first of all you click on refresh, so the all invoices are going to appear. Yeah, system is going to check here. Okay, just hold for a second, guys. I'm getting some important call, so I'll pause the recording first.
This conference will now be recorded.
Okay, so sorry guys, I got a call in between. So anyway, I pause the recording so that there won't be any gap, or there won't be any, like, video is not going to be much lengthy here. So again, what we were discussing here, we were discussing about, like, okay, look at here, multiple invoices has been posted, right? So system is checking here, like, since we are running this automatic payment program for payment method T. Now system is checking whether any invoices, whatever the invoices are there, it is posted against which payment method. So if you check any invoices, look at here, payment method is blank. So how the payment method is going to be appear here, guys? Payment method will appear only either while posting the invoices, if you are going to give this payment method manually, or else in vendor master we have to assign the payment method. So system is going to copy the payment method directly from vendor master itself. These two things. This is what the message is showing here, was quite clear in the proposal, saying that none of the payment method T is entered either in master record or to the document. Neither it is there in master record also or in the document also. So solution is quite simple. What you have to do, guys, is just do one thing. Go to XK02 and enter the payment method. Click on, first of all, you need to click on here itself, guys. Here, payment transactions, and enter the payment method here, T, and save it. So now we have directly entered in the master record itself. The payment method we have entered in the master record itself. and against this vendor master itself, we have posted all the invoices. So now there is no problem. Why? Because system is going to check the payment method in vendor master and will come to know, okay, against this vendor master, since only one payment method is there, so by default whatever invoices got posted, guys, that is posted against payment method T itself, right? Now here, so come back again, and then what to do, guys? Then here you need to now, so this in this proposal, what is happening, guys? There is an error, fault is there, right? So this is called faulty proposal, right? So what we have to do now, whatever error was there that we have rectified just now, so sorry guys, now here lots of problem is going on. Now the power is gone, so again the network was finished. I joined through my mobile Wi-Fi, so I don't know like how much you have heard. So I'll just do one thing. I'll repeat from here. Look at here, this is also gone, connectivity is also gone, so I'll have to log in again. So, but before that, I'll just show you guys. So here what we have done, as I've shown you guys that error was there in the proposal. Okay, payment method T was not assigned to the master record or else to the document. So what we have done in vendor master, we have entered the payment method, and then what I said, then what next, guys? The next one is you have to come here to F110, and here you need to click on edit and you need to delete the proposal. Here we have to delete the proposal, okay? And then we have to rerun the proposal once again, okay? In between, guys, I think might be some 1 minute or 1.5 minute, pause will be there. There won't be any voice, there won't be any this one, so you just skip that part, okay? I'm sorry for that. So now the since network was gone, so it is already automatically logged out. I'll have to log in once again, and then I'll show you, guys. Even if it is logged out also, no worries, because our run date and identification code, if you are able to, if you know this run date and identification code, then once again we can start from here itself. Okay, click on no, and then let me log in once again. So now I'll suggest once again, guys, better to use online server, because in online server more and more number of errors will be there, and if the more number of errors are there, then you guys are going to explore the solutions and all, and this is how you guys are going to become, like your knowledge is going to be, enhanced and all. Okay, so this is what the benefit of online server, because multiple people are doing their practice. Some of the people are going to make settings somewhere, and you guys are going to get the issues. Then what will happen if you're going to find out the solutions, if you're going to search solutions somewhere on Google or somewhere, then what will happen? Then you will come to know later on, if you're going to explore, or it's then you'll come to know this is a client level setting. Then you'll be having some idea what is this client level setting and all. Anyway, this I'm going to explain later. What is the difference between company code level setting and client level setting? But right now we are talking about automatic payment program. So once again, F110, and you give your run date. So run date, I'm able to remember here 21/08/2020. If you are not able to remember, you need to click here. You just click here and look at here now. So this is what my, before that multiple other people have run, their what to say APP in a different date, but mine is this one, right? Always give your company code and then it will be easy to identify, right? Double click. So this is how also look at here, proposal has been created, but there is error or issue in this proposal. Now what we have done, guys, we have already rectified these issues. Okay, in vendor master, I have already assigned the payment method, right? You can check it here, scale 02. I'll check it, guys. Yes, now it is already there. It means we have saved it. Now, so you just delete the proposal. Now look at here. So it got deleted. Now once again you have to run the proposal. Start immediately. Press enter. Enter. Okay. So look at here. Now, so proposal has been created. Click on display proposal and come down. And look at here. Now accounting entry is taking place here, right? This 1000 is your bank GL, which is going to be debited, which is going to be credited, and this is your vendor number is going to be debited. Okay, so now it means everything is perfect, and 12,000 only is there. So you just click on back button here. Okay, and now this time we have to go for payment run. Proposal run is fine, everything is fine. You click on payment run and press enter. Now look at here, payment run has been cancelled. So if payment run has been cancelled, guys, now again we have to find out now where is the problem, why the payment run has been cancelled. So might be a chances that there is a issue related to number range. Most likely this is what the issue you will be getting during payment run, or else there won't be any other. In real time this error will not appear, but of course like when you guys are doing practice, and that way if you are in online server, then this error may appear. Why? Because if you talk about this APP, so we are running this APP, but APP is going to be whatever. This is a kind of transaction itself, guys. Transaction is getting posted, payment is getting posted, and of course it is going to be posted against a particular document type, right? So you have created a different number range and you are going to assign this number range to the document type. Somebody is going to create a different number range and his own number range he is going to assign to that document type. So your code is 01, somebody has created 15. So what is happening? Of course there is a conflict, right? Contrast. So now here click on payment and look at here, the in company code TM00 document number range 20 is missing. Now again, here is the essence. Okay, in company code TM00 document number range 20 is missing for 2020. So it means document number 20 is missing. So what you have to do, either you have to create a number range with the code 20. Now if you check, if you are going to check here which number range we have created, FBN1 is the transaction code, and here you give your company code TM00 and check which number range we have created. So we have created 01, 17, 19, right? These are the number range which we have created, but 20 is not created. So what you have to do, either you have to assign 01, 17 or 19 against that particular document type, or else you have to create a number range called 20. So if you are going to create a number range 20, then issue is going to be solved here itself. But what I'll do, guys, I will not create a number range here, new number range. I'm going to assign my own number range 01 itself. Okay, what is the benefit, guys? The benefit is, I'll tell you now. So here the next question is this 01 we have created. Let's suppose 01 is going to be assigned. So 0 and 01 number range, 01 is going to be assigned against which document type? This is what the question. So now the answer is we have to find out against which document type the APP is going to run. But here you won't be able to find out the document type. So how to find out the document type, guys? Just think, put some pressure on your mind. I'll tell you guys, this is already explained during configurations. During configurations, I have explained over there. I think if you have noticed, it's okay. If you haven't noticed, then I'll explain once again. In configurations, for configurations, what you have to do, you just do one thing, go to FBZP transaction code once again. These FBZP and F110 very famous transaction code is there, that is supposed to be there at the tip of your tongue, right? Now, FBZP, okay? Now here, payment method in country. And our payment method is T. Double click on T. Look at here, guys, the document type which is signed called ZP document type. So from here you will come to know against which document type automatic payment program is going to run. Okay, so now we got document type is ZP, right? Now, so now what to do? So now we have to do one thing. You just do one thing. So now against ZP document type, we are going to assign the number range 01. Okay, number range 01. So here, where is the number range 01? It's that you can get from FBN1 transaction code /and OBA7. So how to define the document type, guys? OBA7 is the transaction code by which you have to define the document type. You just go here and click on position and SA document type. I'll repeat again, no need to remember all the transaction code, guys. While practice, there are several transaction code which is going to be used on frequent basis, so you guys will be able to remember lots of, and some of the transaction code which is going to be used like very less. So if you want to mug up, you can mug up just for your practice purposes itself. It is not at all important for your interview point of view. Why? Because neither transaction code nor path, nothing is going to be asked by people. They will ask the logic. They will ask the logic. They will never ask how to run this APP, which transaction code we are going to do, or how to run this how to configure this automatic payment program, which transaction we are going to use. These things are not going to be asked by people because there is no logic behind asking these questions. If somebody has to ask a question, now what is happening? Let's suppose, okay, I'll just ask here itself, but I'll just do one thing. Let me complete this. First of all, ZP document type, double click on ZP document type here, and then here number range 01 I'm going to assign and save it. So what I have done, guys, number range I have assigned. So again, I'm going to delete this payment run, which is it is having some fault. Click on edit, and now this time payment and delete output. Yes, and then once again we are going to run the payment. Press enter. So look at here, one generated, one completed. So if you click on payment proposal, look at here, this is, so now 12,000 means how many invoices are there, guys? In 12,000, how many? So look at here, you can like display proposal. So here, double click on 12,000 and look at here, these are the invoices: 4,000, 5,000, 2,000, 1,000. Document number 15, 16, 17 and 20. These 4 document number, where it is, I'll just do one thing. So come here, no, not here, I'll just do one thing. I'll open one more because once again I have to come back on this one because I said like I'll ask a very simple question, guys. So here just FPL1N. Okay, I always try to record like small videos like of half an hour or max to max half an hour, or 35 minutes, so that it will be easy for you guys to practice. It won't be more much boring. So I think it's already half an hour is completed, I guess. So anyway, we are at the in moment itself. So now here, so look at here, only these are the open items are there. It means whatever remaining was there, that is already gone. Okay, have I opened like these things? I think, let me check it. No, FBL3 one was not open. So now whatever the remaining document, whatever remaining transactions were there, like this document number 15, 16, 17, 20, that is already gone. It is posted. It is posted. There is no, it is not there in open item. If you check at cleared item, it will be there. Okay. So this is how, what to say, you have to run the APP, guys. And now final questions. I said, like, if somebody has to ask a question, the basic questions I'll what to say, ask here. So how, like, once you run this automatic payment program, what is happening? System is going to generate a payment document number, because if you talk about here, you just do one thing, click on back button. Okay, all items and execute. So now here, whatever transactions code, you just come down, or is like here document type. Okay, document type, and click on filter and give here ZP document type. It means whatever ZP document type, look at here, this is what. So look at here, a document number got generated. A document number got generated, right? So now question is, how system is going to trigger this document number? What is the logic, right? So what you have to say, because APP, automatic payment program, we are not going to run document type against a particular document type. So how system is going to trigger the document type? Because number range is going to be assigned against document type itself. So what you have to say, see, I'll tell you. First of all, we have created a number range 1000 to 1999. Okay, and so this is your range from number and to try to understand, guys, whatever things I'm explaining here. Of course, this is pretty simple, but you watch multiple tutorials are there on Udemy, YouTube, everywhere, right? If you talk about the configuration part, everybody are going to tell you how to do, like, this is how you have to configure, this is how you have to configure, you have to do this, that, multiple things. But logic means very less people are going to explain the logic, right? So understand this. The simplest way I'm trying to explain, okay, and here, so from and to, and here NR status. NR status. NR status means number in status. So now here, let's suppose if the already here number range 1005 is there. So the next document number 1006 will be generated, right? This is what the logic. Whatever till 1005 already document got posted, the next document number will be 1006. Hope this you guys are able to understand this. It is already explained in the previous session, right? Now, so this number range we have created against a particular code, let's suppose 01. And whatever this number range code is there, that is going to be assigned against, this is number range code. Okay, so look at here, this is going to be assigned against a document type. Okay, I'm typing in shortcut, guys, don't look at the spellings. What is the document type? ZP. Okay, and this ZP document type we have assigned against payment method, right? This is assigned against a payment method. Payment method, let's suppose T. And we have run the APP. APP is going to be run against a particular payment method itself, right? APP is going to be run against payment method, right? So now you try to query it. Look at here. Now it becomes very simple. So the question is, now let's suppose here, if the system is going to generate a document number 1006. So how system has triggered that document number, right? So first of all, when you run this APP is going to be run against a payment method, right? Here, just do one thing, where it is here, come back. So APP is going to run against a particular. So whenever we are going to run APP, system is going to trigger against which payment method APP is getting done. Payment method payment method T. System is able to trigger. So APP is going to run against a particular payment method. So system got to know the payment method T. Against payment method T, what document type is assigned? So that is ZP document type. System is going to search in background. Against ZP background, which number range code we have given, guys? So we have assigned 01. And against 01 for your company code, what range we have given? So let's suppose 1000 to 1999. And in NR status, let's suppose system is going to check what number got updated. So 1005, it means the next document number which is going to be created is 1006. This is how you have to say. It is just like a mathematical formula, guys. See, that's what I'm saying. You watch multiple APP related videos are there, right? But if somebody is going to ask this question, this is a very basic question. How many of you will be able to reply like that? Whoever is going to reply like that is going to be selected, right? Or is in a single line, everybody are going to say yes, number range is going to be generated. Sorry, document number is getting generated from number range. Yes, I also know. And like you, if there is 100 of candidates for that interview, everybody are going to say the same thing. So why somebody is going to select you only? You cannot be selected unless you are unique compared to other people, right? You know, thousands of candidates standing in the queue. So that's what I'm saying, guys. You have to give the logical answer. You have to give the logical answer. And this is what the logical answer. This is what is going to be expected by, this is how like people are expecting. If somebody is asked these questions, if somebody has asked these questions, then they're expecting in this way. That okay, from first of all, system is going to trigger A, from A to B, B to C, C to D, D to E, F, and then finally it is going to trigger G. In the sense payment method, then document type, number range code. From there, system is going to trigger the number range. Then system is going to check NR status. Whatever number is there plus 1 is getting generated. Hope you guys like this session. And once again, I'll request that if you have not given your feedback and all, kindly provide your feedback also, so that I'll come to know how is the session and all. And again, in next session, we are going to discuss some different topic, and that is also going to be interesting topic, guys. I'm going to start okay, in next session itself we'll see like which topic is going to be started. So that's all in this session, guys. Thanks for watching.